Alright, what is up guys? It is Dominic from MDP. Today we're installing some OES frame sliders. They're really simple. Literally all you gotta do is loosen 2 bolts, which will be this one. The one closest probably to your emblem, as long as you still have your fairings and whatnot. The one closest on this side, and the same thing on that side, on the opposite side of the bike. So all you gotta do, loosen this 14 millimeter, and install this 8 millimeter Allen. Mine just happened to come with Allen. I don't know if all of them come with Allens, but very simple job. Literally just comes right off. Already kind of loosened mine up. Comes right out. Boom. New one goes in. Slides right in. What I like to do, nice and simple, use the Allen key to kind of, because you can't really reach it with your fingers. You first want to thread it in with your hands, just so you don't cross thread anything, but you shouldn't have a problem cross threading. They're pretty simple threads, very easy to go into. And then go to tighten. You just kind of want to tighten enough, because I believe the head of this, which it goes into, is cast iron. I believe so, or maybe aluminum. So you don't want to go too hard either which way. Turning this thing, you just want to give it a good 1, 2, done. Make sure it's not spinning. And that's it. That'll be all for the video, guys. Very simple, very easy install, but it helps a ton. God forbid you go into a slide or something on a turn or whatnot. Man, my hair looking crazy, guys. Don't judge. But it's starting to rain. I really gotta get this bike covered. But very easy install. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, smack it with a like. If you guys want more content, subscribe. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. This is a GSX-S 2015. For most models and most years of just about any bike, it's similar, very similar placement of these things. We'll put a link down in the description where I got these things. I got them off Amazon really cheap. I think about 60 bucks or so. So yeah, any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.